Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili garlic Maggi. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 2 packs of Maggi noodles, 1 tablespoon of your favorite chili garlic sauce, and about 1/4 cup of finely chopped garlic. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a small chopped onion, and a pinch of salt ready. These precise measurements ensure the perfect balance of flavors for an unforgettable meal. Now, let's prepare the Maggi base. Bring 2 cups of water to a vigorous boil in a small saucepan. Carefully add both packs of Maggi noodles to the boiling water. Cook them for precisely 2 minutes to achieve the ideal texture, neither too soft nor too firm. After cooking, drain the noodles, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of that flavorful noodle water for later use. This step is where the magic happens, creating our signature chili garlic infusion. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a separate pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped garlic and onion, sautéing them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and release their aromatic fragrance. Next, stir in the 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce along with both Maggi seasoning packets, ensuring everything is well combined. For the grand finale, it's time to bring all the elements together. Add the perfectly cooked Maggi noodles to the pan with your aromatic chili garlic mixture. Pour in the reserved 1/4 cup of noodle water to help create a luscious sauce. Toss everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds, ensuring every strand of noodle is coated in that incredible flavor. Serve hot and enjoy your unique chili garlic Maggi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.